Andy Reynolds here, your Lake Wylie Waterfront Specialist. Here we are at 2354 Vail Lake Road in York, South Carolina for this magnificent waterfront property featuring private boat dock, private boat ramp, 4-car garage, tons of living area, upper floor and lower level, over 9,000 square feet, detached recreational shop that was big enough to hold a seaplane. This one has it all. Come check it out. Hope you enjoyed the tour of 2354 Vail Lake Road. I'm Andy Reynolds, your Lake Wylie Waterfront Specialist. Give me a call today for your private showing, 704-763-7196.